smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication. generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project kuwata, our dedication. generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚒, our dedication. smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication.
A pleasant day to one and all. So this is Teacher Meden, your host for today's exciting webinar. As we celebrate the 8th anniversary of our award-winning financial literacy education initiative, Project Kwarta, we are here to give a gripping webinar session for our negosyo teachers, rocket teachers, our teacherpreneurs. So, pwede nga ba mag-side hustle si teacher? So, PM Mr. na yan, panoorin at makinig.
Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication.
Introducing Project Kwarta, an initiative that keeps financial learning connected to everyone. In the heart of Calabanga, we've been transforming lives since 2015, starting as a humble financial literacy education program led by 𝚎𝚐𝚐𝚕. It all began when the 𝚕𝚒𝚒𝚒 Elementary School became the first implementer of Pro-Life UK and Prudence Foundation's 𝚱𝚐𝚗 curriculum in Camarines, Sir. Through the years, Project Kwarta has grown, expanding its reach and impact. We've cultivated partnerships with various stakeholders, and our unique and creative financial education project has received recognition from several government and private organizations. In 2016, Mr. 𝚑𝚑𝚑 was honored as the most distinguished 𝚱𝚐𝚗𝚒 financial literacy educator, setting the stage for what was yet to come. In 2017, the implementation was scaled up to the school level, and Mr. 𝚑𝚑𝚑 was celebrated with the Outstanding 𝚱𝚐𝚒 Financial Literacy Educator Award. Various engaging activities were incorporated such as conferences, camps, games, and contests. By 2018, the Project 𝚬𝓪𝓬𝓱𝓮𝓻𝓆 Financial Literacy Learning Resource was developed by Mr. 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚑, a resource that would change the future for countless young minds. In 2019, Project 𝚬𝓬𝓬𝓱𝓮𝓻𝓆's impact expanded further to the district level, with the support of the local government unit of 𝚱𝚐𝓆𝓭𝓏. The learning resources were adopted by selected schools in the district. Even in the face of adversity, Project 𝚬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓱𝓮𝓻 continued to make a difference. In 2020, Money Smart Kids at Home was launched to continue the financial learning of children amidst the pandemic. Its implementation in 𝚱𝚑𝚒𝚑 Elementary School won the 𝚱𝚐𝚒𝚑𝓮𝓼 Award. The 𝚱𝚐𝚒𝚗𝓚 City also recognized the district's initiative with an Outstanding BSP Stakeholder Award. In 2021, Project 𝚬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬 took a leap into the digital realm with the launch of the mobile app version, Project 𝚬𝓬𝓬 Mobi. This innovation promoted digital finance through experiential and simulative learning, all while embracing a multi-stakeholder approach. We look to shape the financial literacy landscape among school children of 𝚱𝚐𝚑𝚑𝚑 through digital financial education and collaborative efforts. In 2022, Project 𝚬𝓬𝓬 was led by 𝚱𝚑𝓇𝓐𝓐 Incorporated, where digital and more experiential financial learning experiences were championed. A digital learning course was launched through the 𝚱𝚑𝓇𝓐𝓐 mobile app, and the 𝚱𝚑𝚑𝚭𝚭 Money Smart Summit brought students and teachers together from 𝚱𝚑𝚭𝚭 East and West districts. And now, in 2023, we stand boldly and proudly as we receive another Outstanding Bangko Sentral Nang Pilipinas Stakeholder Award. Together, we continue to make dreams of financial empowerment a reality for the youth of 𝚱𝚑𝚭𝚭. Join us in this journey, and let's create a brighter, money-smart future, together. World of education, teachers are our guiding lights, shaping the minds of the future. But just as they impart knowledge, teachers too must be equipped with a different kind of wisdom: financial literacy. For teachers, financial literacy is not just an option, it's a necessity. It's about making the most of your hard-earned money. It's about securing your future and providing for your loved ones. It's about being prepared for the unexpected and ensuring peace of mind. Financial literacy is the key to making informed decisions about your money, investments, and retirement. That's where MoneyGURO comes in, an empowering financial literacy education series designed exclusively for teachers. MoneyGURO is your partner in financial education, providing the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the world of personal finance. With MoneyGURO, you'll learn to manage your finances wisely, plan for your future, and create a more secure tomorrow for you and your family. Empower yourself with the knowledge to make smart financial decisions, just like you empower your students to excel in their studies. Teachers, it's time to become MoneyGURO, the financial guru of your own life. Be MoneyGURO, and let's make financial literacy a reality for every teacher.
Money Smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬𝓬, our dedication.
Before we begin our activity, let me highlight that there will be two discussions for this activity. First will be the legal and ethical considerations on teachers' entrepreneurial endeavors with Attorney Salvador T. Pelangon. Second, on being a teacherpreneur with Dr. Ana Marie A. Benalia. Alright, so hello sa kagaya kong negosyant teachers. Get ready with our power-packed webinar sessions. Also, win a GCash prize while watching our webinar. Anyway, sa mga hindi nakahabol, you can still watch this later in our YouTube channel. Without further ado, let us all welcome our first presenter. Our first presenter is a licensed professional teacher, a successful passer of the principal test, an achiever in the Career Executive Service written examination, and a lawyer. He currently holds the position of Education Program Supervisor 1 at the DepEd's SDO Camarines Sur. Additionally, he is a scholar of the Linking Standards and Quality Practice, a joint project of Philippine Normal University and DepEd National Educators, Academy of the Philippines and Professional Development Program for Teachers and School Leaders. So stay on the loop as we welcome our first presenter, Dr. Attorney Salvador T. Pelingon.
Hello, good afternoon,
afternoon, sir.
everyone. Those who are live watching us this afternoon. Thank you, Sir James, for the invitation, and of course, Ms. Medin for facilitating this. Okay, so I was invited by Sir James to talk about pwede nga ba magnegosyo or mag-engage ang ating mga kaguruan sa sa negosyo o di kaya naman ay sa mag-practice ng kanilang mga profession habang connected sa Department of Education, nagtuturo sa mga pampublikong paaralan po natin ay yun yung mga tanong kasi kung minsan, pwede ba kami or hindi kami pwede? So, palagi nating alalahanin na ang pagkakaroon natin ng profesyon ay hindi po yan absolute. Yan po ay hindi rin karapatan. It's only a privilege. So, una gusto mong ipaabot ang pagkakaiba ng what is a right and what is a privilege. Ang profession kasi natin is only a privilege. It is not a right na katulad ng right to freedom of speech, of expression, na kung saan ay pwede natin na hingin talaga. Though sabi nga niyan kahit siya ay right, hindi rin yan absolute. Kasi mayroong mga restrictions sa pag-exercise niyan. Pag pumasok na ang inherent powers ng government, so kahit may karapatan ka, pwedeng masuppress yan, pwede yan na mahinder ng mga umiiral natin na mga panuntunan. Kaya hindi rin naman absolute ang karapatan. So kung yung ang karapatan ay hindi absolute, much more yung pribilehyo lang. So ang pagkakaroon natin ng profesyon sa gobyerno, pagkakaroon natin ng mga lisensya, halimbawa bilang guro, is only a privilege that those who are worthy to have it, sila lang ang pwedeng magkaroon. So hindi po karapatan ang magkaroon ng isang lisensya or isang profesyon, but it's only a privilege na binibigay lang doon sa mga merong kakayahan na i-maintain at panatilihin na maayos ang reputasyon niya habang nag-i-enjoy siya ng pribilehiyong pinagkaloob sa kanya ng Estado. So yun po ang una natin maunawaan na iba ang karapatan sa pribilehiyo. Pag nagkaroon ka ng professional ng license, ng iyong mga proof na ikaw ay lisensyadong guro, for example, binigyan ka lang ng pribilehiyo na magkaroon niyan. So, kinakailangan na i-maintain mo ang iyong integridad, i-maintain mo ang iyong pagkakaroon ng lisensya na yan nang walang tarnish sa iyong sa iyong pribilehiyo na pinagkaloob sa iyo ng Estado. Kasi kung sakaling mabalga mo 'yon, maaring ikaw ay alisan niyan ng alisan ka niyan ng pribilehiyo na yan. Maaari yan natanggalin sa iyo pagkat yan nga ay bigay lang ng Estado. Kaya kailangan natin ang high standard at nang sa ganun ay mapanatili natin na sa atin ang lisensya, sa atin ang profesyon. Sabi ko nga palagi, pag may nakakausap ako, mahalin natin ang profesyon natin, mahalin natin ang trabaho natin, kasi kahit nakaupo ka dyan, may nananalangin na mabakante. Merong nag-aantay na pwedeng pumalit sa'yo. Kaya kailangan na talagang tangkilikin natin at panghawakan ito ng maayos. So, kasi pribilehiyo lang siya. Hindi siya karapatan na pwede mong ipag-ano. So, kailangan maintain the high moral and integrity na meron tayo bilang, lalo na tayong mga guro. Ang mga guro kasi ay ini-expect sa atin yung mataas at dekalidad na moralidad kasi we are producing another professionals. So, much more na dapat maging huwaran tayo ng pagiging mahusay, mabuti at dekalidad na gurong Pilipino. So, isa yun. Now, pwede ba sir na mag-engage ang isang guro sa isang profession or isang trabaho aside sa pagiging guro? Kasi yan yung minsan na mga katanungan kung sakasakaling gustong mag-engage, for example, in business. Kasi nauuso ngayon yung mga online selling, tapos meron naman mga hindi na nga online pero nagninegosyo, may sideline. Tapos yung ibang mga guro, nagtuturo pa sa mga pribadong paaralan o di kaya sa mga local colleges and state colleges, nagtuturo sila. So pwede ba at maaari ba na magkaroon ng pag-practice, mag-practice ang ating mga guro nang sa ganun ay madagdagan yung kita or madagdagan man lamang yung kabuhayan? Kasi sabi ng iba, sir, kulang naman ang kinikita kung sakasakali po na magfo-focus lang kami, kulang po anya. That is why ang ina-allowed naman, pero kinakailangan na mayroong permiso. Mayroong permiso sa atin kung taga-DepEd ka, may permiso sa department na mag-engage ka sa sa practice ng profession na kung saan ikaw ay meron. Pwede mo po yun gawin base sa mga umiiral na panuntunan natin. Una, nire-require ng Republic Act 6713. Ano yung Republic Act 6713? Ito yung Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. So kung kabilang ka dito sa tinatawag na public officials and employees, maaari mong puntahan ang Republic Act 6713. Yan yung Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards ng mga public officials and employees. Sinasabi sa Section 7, B2 ng Republic Act 6713, ano-ano yung mga prohibited acts and transactions. So meron pong mga ipinagbabawal na mga gawain at saka transaction para sa mga public officials and employees. So sabi sa Republic Act 6713, Section 7, in addition to acts and omissions of public officials and employees now prescribed in the Constitution and existing laws, the following shall constitute prohibited acts and transactions of any public official and employee and are hereby directed to be unlawful. Ano po ito? Una, yung outside employment and other activities related thereto. Public officials and employees during their incumbency shall not, sabi dyan, number 2, engage in the private practice of their profession. Ano ang sinasabi dyan na unless authorized by law or the Constitution, provided again that such practice will not conflict or tend to conflict with their official function. So ang general rule, bawal talaga. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-engage sa private practice ng iyong profession or ng iyong business without the approval coming from the unless otherwise authorized by the Constitution or the law. So kung authorized, ibig sabihin allowed naman ng Constitution at ng batas natin, provided that such will not conflict or tend to conflict with their official function. Paano naman yun, sir? Kasi kung minsan, dahil sa mga official functions natin, at sa pag-practice natin ng profession, nagkakaroon ng mga conflict of interest na hindi pwede natin gawin. Halimbawa, ako, I am a lawyer. I practice also my being a lawyer kasi meron akong authority sa Department of Education. So I notarize document. So even though I am given the opportunity to practice my profession as a lawyer, I have the commission to notarize documents, there are restrictions that are cited there, especially if it will tend to conflict with the interest una ng DepEd kung saan ako kabilang. Kaya napakaingat ko niyan na hindi makapagnotaryo ng dokumento na kung saan ay magpapasok yung tinatawag natin na conflict of interest ng pagiging kong teacher at private practitioner as a lawyer. So talagang mini-maintain ko yan na hindi matarnish kasi nga ang ating pong ibinigay sa atin pribilehiyo lang. At pag hindi mo yan na-maintain, maaaring bawiin sa'yo. Binigyan ka ng oportunidad na mag-private practice, so gampanan natin na maayos nang hindi tayo mapahiya at hindi rin mawala sa atin yung pinagpaguran natin na lisensya. Remember, napakahirap na kumuha ng lisensya. Lisensya ng pagiging guro, lisensya ng pagiging lawyer. So kailangan mong kailangan mo talagang bantayan yan na mabuti. Now, pumapasok ang mga government employees usually 8 to 12, 1 to 5. Or yung mga teacher kasi merong separate na time allocation depende sa kung ano oras nagsisimula ang kanilang mga klase sa paaralan. At syempre papasok yung actual classroom teaching na 6 hours plus yung civil service rules natin na dapat government employees tayo 8 hours. So 6 hours actual classroom teaching, 2 hours na teaching related activity. That comprises our daily load of 8 hours as a public officials at employees. So 8 hours pa rin. Now, pag kayo ay halimbawa nabigyan kayo ng permit, dapat hindi doon magko-conflict sa schedule mo. So hindi ka kukuha ng oras. Like, halimbawa, nag-part-time job ka as a teacher, hindi ka kukuha ng oras na kung saan makakaabala sa regular function mo as a public school teacher. Or hindi ka kukuha ng load na kung saan magiging sagabal doon sa regular nature ng trabaho mo. So, bakit ka kukuha ng load ng alauna na alam mo na nasa DepEd kanyan? So, kukunin mo yung beyond doon sa oras na yon. That's why, ang mga nagpa-part-time teaching, mapapansin ninyo yung mga kumukuha ng permit sa atin sa department, pinapasubmit din po yun ng medical certificate. Bakit sir kailangan ng medical certificate? Bakit po kailangan yun na i-attach doon sa request para sa permit to teach? Kasi, sabi ng marami, nakakapagod niya magturo, nakakapagod maging teacher, napakadaming challenges and etc. Pero gusto mag-part-time, di ba? Gusto kumuha ng part-time na job. So kaya pinapasubmit ang medical certificate na ibig sabihin, yung katawan natin ay willing and ready and able pa din na magturo. Kasi kung siging ang reklamo na pagod na niya ako sa sa DepEd, nagtuturo sa public school bilang isang public school teacher, pero gusto kumuha ng load sa sa private at kumuha ng part-time sa pagiging teacher, yun pala hindi na nga kaya ng katawan. Kaya pinapasubmit po yan aside doon sa letter request for permit to teach, pinapasubmit din po yan ng a medical certificate that still kaya pa niyang gampanan yung pagiging part-time teacher at hindi yun makakasagabal sa kanyang trabaho sa pagiging regular public school teacher. So it is very important to see to it na talagang pa naman yung health niya hindi masasakripisyo sa kanyang paghahanap ng panibagong trabaho outside sa kanyang regular work na pagiging teacher. Importante po yan na malaman natin kasi kung akala mo nakakapagod na magparaturo pero gusto mo pa na another tuturuan, you have to consider that. You have to put premium on your health pa din kasi aanhin natin yung maraming nai-earn, yung naman palang ating kalusugan ang nasasakripisyo. Kaya mahalaga po na pag nag-submit ng request to practice profession or to practice teaching, dapat nakaakibat na noon yung medical certification. And of course, yung load na ito ay hindi sagabal sa regular na trabaho sa Department of Education kung taga DepEd or sa ibang government agencies kung saan siya connected. Kasi meron namang mga taga-LGU. Halimbawa, taga-LGU at magpa-practice ng profession privately, yung taga-LGU, kukuha rin siya ng permit doon sa LGU kung saan siya connected or sa other government agencies na kanyang pinagtatrabahuan. Provided again na yun ay allowed ng kanilang office function. So, yan po ang nire-required ng Republic Act 6713, yung ating pong Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards for Public Officials and Employees. So another thing po na pwede ninyong puntahan, balik-balikan, ay ang Rule 18, Section 12 ng Revised Civil Service Rules. Anong sinasabi sa Section 12, Rule 18 of the Revised Civil Service Rules? No officer or employee shall engage directly in any private business, vocation, or profession, or be connected with any commercial, credit, agricultural, or industrial undertaking without a written permit from the head of the department. So, kinakailangan na meron tayong permission coming from the head of the department. Sa DepEd, ang head of the department po ay si secretary. Although our secretary can always delegate. Pwede niya namang ibigay sa mga officials ng kagawaran kung sino ang pwedeng pumirma on his or her behalf. So, allowed naman basta po merong written permission from the head of the department. Now, dito naman sa DepEd, meron tayong DepEd Order number 1, Series 2023. Ano ang DepEd Order number 1, Series 2023? Ito naman po yung ating mga authorized signatories and kasama na po doon yung sino ang pipirma ng request for practice of profession. Now, nakalagay po doon sa DepEd Order number 1, Series 2023 na kapag practice ng pagtuturo, permit to teach, for example, nakalagay doon na depende sa governance level. Pag ikaw ay nasa mga schools, nakalagay po sa DepEd Order number 1, Series of 2023, na ang permit to teach maaaring aprubahan ng ating pong division superintendent. Ibig sabihin, sa isang division, pwede po na ito ay paaprubahan sa superintendent ang permit to teach or permit to practice one's profession. Pero kaming mga lawyer, specifically provided doon, lawyers in the Department of Education, hindi lang yung mga lawyer na nag-occupy ng legal officer position. Kasi di ba, meron tayong lawyer na ang item sa Department of Education ay legal officer 3 or legal officer 4. Depende sa governance level kung saan sila naka-assign. Now, base doon sa DepEd Order number 1, kaming mga lawyers na nagtatrabaho sa Department of Education, kahit hindi kami occupying a lawyer position, like me, I'm an education program supervisor. I'm not a I'm not the legal officer of the department. I'm not a legal officer working in the Department of Education, but my permit to practice profession, limited practice of the profession that I have as a lawyer, ang nakalagay po doon sa DepEd Order 1 Series 2023 ay manggagaling sa central office. So my permit is signed for and in behalf of the Secretary from the central office kasi yun po yung nakalagay dun sa DepEd Order 1 Series 2023. So alamin po natin kung saan at sino ang dapat na magpirma ng ating pong permit to practice the profession. There was ones who did not ask permission coming from a department secretary to practice the profession. Nawalan yun ng trabaho. Kasi hindi nga humingi ng permiso. Or minsan humingi naman ng permiso, iba naman yung nagbigay. Hindi yung dapat na nakalagay doon sa nakalagay sa batas na siya dapat yung magbibigay ng permit. Kaya mahalaga pong malaman natin anong governance level tayo and sino dapat yung pipirma. So again, kung taga-DepEd ka, babalikan nyo yung DepEd Order number 1 Series of 2023 because that is the basis for the for the permit na meron tayo sa atin pong mga department nang gusto mag-practice ng kanilang profession as a teacher or profession as a trader, kasi minsan teacher, trader, teacher, vendor, mga ganon. So basta po palagi natin tatandaan may mga rules to be followed na dapat din natin alamin kung saan ba ako lulugar. Kasi kung hindi, baka bigla na lang nirereklamo ka na kasi napapabayaan mo yung trabaho mo sa department na dapat full ang iyong devotion, full ang iyong service, yun na ang napag-iiwanan. Naging sideline mo na yung DepEd na siyang dapat ay main mo dahil lamang sa pagkuha mo ng mga private practice na dapat ay limited lang. Hanggang anong oras ako, Miss Medin? Kasi akala dalawa ba kami?
Hanggang 2 p.m. po, sir.
Hanggang namang 2 p.m. Kaya napaka-clear ng mga umiiral nating panuntunan. Hindi pwede na hindi pwede na babasta-bastahin lang natin anyway, anya maawain naman ang DepEd. Yung mga ganon. Hindi pwedeng ganon. Dapat magsimula, let's start right so that right din tayo mag-i-end. Hindi yung nagsimula tayo ng mali tapos ini-expect natin i-correct na lang along the way. Yun yung maling maling proseso. Dapat magsimula tayo ng maayos. At dahil magsisimula tayo ng maayos, we are expecting also na magtatapos tayo ng maayos. Now, yung permit po ay renewable yan. Hindi ibig sabihin na binigyan ka na ng permit, that's already lifetime. Hindi po ganyan. Ang permit po natin ay nire-renew every year or every semester kung teacher, merong renewal yon. Kailangan po renewin natin. Kasi nga, nagbabago ang mga signatories natin. Iba-iba rin kung minsan yung mga recommending approval na mga nakasulat doon sa atin pong DepEd order. So kinakailangan na i-renew siya from time to time. So may renewal na every semester, may renewal naman na every year. But mostly, yung mga permit talaga na mag-practice ng ating profession needs to be renewed kasi nga kung nagbabago ang signatory, nagbabago ang mga panuntunan, dapat din doon sa permit, nakalagay din yun kung until when ito effective. Kasi kung nakalagay doon until 1 year lang, so yung ika-second year mo ng pagsisimula na wala kang permit na renewal, that is considered already as a violation of the rules. So kailangan mo nang magpunta at magbalik at papalitan mo yon para hindi ka maireklamo. Alam nyo, yun yung iniiwasan natin dahil lang sa pagpapractice natin ng profession na ireklamo tayo. So yun naman yung sayang. Sayang ng profession natin at hassle din yung mga inirereklamo. Kaya ang iba, ang iniiwasan talaga yung hassle ng maireklamo. So para hindi maireklamo, magsimula ng maayos. So kung ngayon pa lang ay tinitingnan mo na pwede kang mag-practice ng profession, then gawin natin humingi ng permit. So sabi sa DepEd order, DepEd teachers and employees who intend to pursue who signify their interest to teach or practice a profession shall schedule this endeavor outside regular office hours. So ang hinihingi po ng department order natin, if we are endeavoring to practice our profession, ang inihingi sa atin, what is being endeavored is schedule it outside your regular office hours and shall do so without compromising their functions and responsibilities pursuant to Section 12, Rule 18 of the Revised Civil Service Rules. So, yun po yung ating tatandaan. I-allowed naman tayo, pero hinihingi sa atin na gawin yon outside regular office hours. So again, kung ang regular office hours natin ay 8 to 12, 1 to 5, so you cannot schedule your permit to teach or your practice of a profession during the schedule na 8 to 12 tsaka 1 to 5. So i-schedule mo siya so after office hours. Now, sir, pwede bang ang schedule ko ay 5 p.m.? O, saan ka nag-out? Doon na sa bagong inn. Di ba? So, i-apply naman natin yung common sense. Paano ka makakapag-time in ng 5 o'clock kung ang out mo ay 5 o'clock? So, common sense naman, hindi nagta-time out ka ng 5 o'clock sa regular office mo, tapos time in mo din 5 o'clock doon sa pagpa-part-timean mo. So, magbigay ka naman ng allowance. 5:15 ang hingiin mong schedule doon sa pagtatrabahuan mo, o di kaya ay 5:30. Kasi kung ang oras ay ganun, magkakaroon ng big question mark. How come na nakarating ka na ng 5 o'clock doon sa pagtatrabahuan mong part-time o doon sa iyong may permit ka to practice your limitedly your profession? Paano ka ngayon nakapag-time in doon ng parehong oras ng iyong time out? So ang tawag naman natin dyan, common sense naman ang gamitin. Upang sa ganun, hindi naman ka i-question yung ating schedule na nakalagay doon po sa ating permit. Yan po yung mga pinag-aaralan din. Kasi ang iba, basta lang anyway, tapos na ang trabaho ko dyan. O mabuti kung yung pasok mo ay hanggang 4:30, pwede yon. O di kaya meron sa mga lugar na may shifting tayo, may morning shift at saka may afternoon shift na kung saan ay 6 to 12 or 12 to 6 ang pasok para makonsumo yung 6 hours actual classroom teaching, tapos yung 2 hours naman ay considered as teaching-related activities that can be done in or outside of the classroom, then yung mga ganun na schedule. That's why, aside from the schedule, daily and regular schedule that you have to provide doon sa agency, kailangan mo rin mag-submit ng class schedule mo doon sa school or sa agency na kung saan magpa-part-time ka bilang isang teacher. Yun po yung mga kino-consider natin kasi kailangan talaga natin na pagtuunan ng pansin na hindi makakasagabal yon sa regular schedule po natin. So, again, ang mga yan ay panuntunan na kailangan nating sundin. Why? Under DepEd Order number 49, Series of 2006, or the administrative cases in the administrative procedures in the Department of Education, DepEd Order number 49, Series 2006. Under that DepEd order, practicing a profession without a permit constitute an administrative complaint. So pwede po na makasuhan si teacher administratively for violating DepEd Order 49 Series 2006. There it is defined that one of the administrative cases na pwedeng i-file sa isang guro ay kung hindi siya nakahingi ng permit to practice profession, permit to teach. Kaya mahalaga po na alam natin itong ating mga panuntunan na yan. Upang sa ganon ay alam din natin kung paano ito gagawin. So kung alam mo na makakasuhan ka under DepEd Order 49 Series 2006 sa pag-practice mo ng profession ng walang permiso, hindi ka kukuha kahit ka pa, sabi nga niyan, pinipilit na kasi ako sir, nung isang private school, sabi nila may load ka na dito sa amin, pero wala pa akong permit to teach or wala pa akong permiso galing sa Department of Education. Huwag muna natin, sabihan natin na dapat mauna. Kaya kamo sa mga susunod na pag-schedule nyo ng load sa akin, maging early upang sa ganon may time din kami na magproseso ng mga permits. Remember, for example, if you are in an extra large division, like the division of Camarines Sur, where I am presently connected as education program supervisor, we have so many transactions to deal with. So we do not just simply say i-prioritize nyo ito kasi mga teacher ito nakukuha ng permit to teach kasi meron na silang load. Hindi po ganon. Ang palagi nating prinsipyo dyan ay first in, first out dapat. So yung mga unang pumasok, ma-desisyonan na natin. Although may tinatawag tayong ease of doing business sa government at sa ease of doing business, yung mga routinary activities ay hindi kailangang lumampas ng 3 araw yung hinihingi natin. But we have also to consider na kahit po yan ay routinary activities ang pagbibigay ng permit, kailangan din po natin na i-check if yung mga attachment na isinubmit nila ay compliant with the requirements of our laws at hindi po yun nag-violate ng ating pong nire-require. Kaya hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na madaliin yung ating permit to teach kasi anya meron na kaming load. So kung maaari, pakiusapan natin tayong mga nagpa-practice ng ating profession privately, pakiusapan natin yung ating mga institutions na connected tayo na kung maaari, pagbigyan naman tayo ng ilang araw upang sa ganun maipaghanda naman natin ang ating sarili at ang ating po na mga dokumento na maproseso ng ating pong department at maibigay sa inyo ng on time for the start of the opening of classes sa mga tutukan. Kasi kung minsan yung mga nagmamadali, dun tayo nagkakaproblema ng ating mga papeles. So sa kakamadali po, nagkakaproblema tayo dun sa mga dokumento. So meron na mga nauumit, merong mga hindi na i-attach, and instead na mapadali yung proseso, nagiging cost ng delay. Why? It has to be returned. Kailangan na namang ibalik. So pag in-return yun, kailangan nyo na namang i-comply. So dagdag na naman yun sa proseso sa araw na kung saan kailangan natin na magsumite. So hanggang sa maaari, wag nating minamadali yung mga bagay na pwedeng iproseso ng maayos. Okay naman yung madali natin na maayos naman. Sir, maayos naman yung mga dokumento. But again, ipoproseso din yon. May mga dinadaanan ding opisina na kinakailangan natin na paghandaan at bigbigyan ng oras upang sa ganon ay hindi tayo lahat nagmamadali. So, yan po yung mga proseso at yan din ang consequence kapag hindi natin sinunod yung proseso. May permit nga tayo na mag-teach pero late na minsan dumarating. Kasi nga hindi kaagad natin din inaayos at hindi rin natin kinakausap yung mga schools kung saan tayo connected na bigyan kaagad tayo ng load. Kasi anya sir, tinitingnan pa kung kakayanin ng number of students. Kasi di ba, lalo na sa mga private schools, meron talagang requirement ng number of students in order for the subject be open. Kasi syempre, kinakailangan mo ding i-consider yung pampasweldo mo doon sa mga magtuturo. So talagang pinoproseso din ng mga private schools na kung saan connected yung halimbawa yung isang DepEd teacher na magtuturo. Unlike kasi sa mga state colleges and universities, sa mga local colleges and universities that are being run by the government through the higher education institutions natin, mas stable yung source of income noon kasi sa gobyerno. Pero yung mga private schools na niraran ng mga private entities, medyo may consideration sa number of students bago tayo bigyan ng load ang ating mga guro na nagpa-part-time. Plus, kino-considered pa doon yung evaluation ng mga estudyante at saka ng evaluation ng school doon sa ating teacher. Kaya isa rin 'yon, 'di ba? Nagdadagdag din 'yun, my dear viewers, ng pressure sa mga teachers natin. Kasi kailangan kung relax ka lang na teacher tapos na-assign ka sa isang private school na very strict when it comes to the policies they are implementing on attendance, on evaluation. So kahit ikaw na minsan relax lang, pag may ganung policy, so magiging ano ka rin, magiging alerto, and that might cause also stress. Kaya sabi ko palaging pasiguro na ang ating request for permit to teach ay may attached na medical certificate. Baka yung kabibilis mo doon sa sa pagsunod dun sa mga polisiya sa tinuturuan mong private institution, nagkakaapektuhan na rin yung iyong nature of trabaho, pati na rin yung health natin dahil sa mga hindi inaasahan na pagmamadali. So sana po ang mga binigay ko sa inyo na mga basis why do we need to secure permit if we wanted to practice our profession or be engaged in trade or business other than the profession that we have in the Department of Education as a public school teachers or employees, always bear in mind not to compromise the position that we have, especially our title and our license. Because sa department hindi ka na baka sa pag-private practice mo ng iyong profession, doon ka po nakita at doon ka nasira. So maging maingat pa rin tayo. Sometimes yung ating pagiging kampante ang nagdadala rin sa atin sa problema. So wag natin pong hahayaan ang ating pagiging kampante, pagkakaroon ng too much na tiwala ang maging cause ng problema natin sa hinaharap. I always naman tell my clients na cross the bridge when you get there. Ibig ko sabihin yan, pag nandun na sa problema talaga, saka natin kailangan i-address. Pero tayo kasing mga teachers, napakarami po ng mga programa ng department. Kung minsan, hindi mo inaasahan na kahit yung iyong Sabado at Linggo, yung supposed to be holidays, ang lahat ng tao ay nag-holiday, pero si teacher ay hindi. So lahat po yun ay consideration na kailangan nating i-weigh, kailangan nating pagtuunan ng pansin. Otherwise, pwede tayong masira doon or pwede tayong magka-problem. So lahat po yan pinagtutuunan natin at wini-weigh natin. And for the benefit always of our learners ang consideration. Kaya sinasabi natin na dapat ang inyong mga schedule when you practice your profession ay really outside your regular working hours sa department. Why? Oras na umalis ang isang teacher, kahit ng 1 oras lamang sa kanyang klase, ilan ang naaapektuhan na estudyante. Let's say for example, there are 40 students inside the classroom and the teacher left the room for an hour to do some errand or personal things sa kanyang buhay. 40 students, 40 estudyante ang naapektuhan ng pag-alis ni ma'am sa loob ng 1 oras. So that is why we have really to consider na pag-aalis ka dapat merong basihan at merong reason. Kaya huwag ka dapat na magpapa-schedule during the time na magko-conflict sa iyong pagtuturo o sa iyong load sa Department of Education. Maging yung mga yung mga nag-aaral, for example, ng masteral or ng doctoral, yung mga kumukuha ng postgraduate education. So hindi rin yun reason na kung saan ikaw ay aalis ng classroom without seeking permit. Na, ay aalis ako ngayon, ay kailangan ko ngayon na mag-present ng thesis para sa aking oral defense. Aalis siya nang walang paalam doon sa hindi po pwede yung ganon kasi I do not know kung tama ba ito. Pati nga sana pagkakasakit, dapat naka-schedule ang teacher. Lalo na kung bago kang teacher. Alam niyo kung bakit? Wala ka pang service credits. So ano ang gagawin ni teacher pag siya ay nagkasakit na walang service credits? So magpo-file siya ng leave without pay. So halimbawa pumasok si teacher ng September as newly hired public school teacher. O di hanggang ngayon wala pa siyang masyadong mga na-earn na service credits dahil baguhan pa. Kailan na i-earn yung mga service credits? When you serve during summer, during Christmas vacation, Saturday, Sunday, and holiday. When you are supposed to be not teaching during those time or not in the service during those time, pero ni-require ka. Kasi halimbawa, nagkaroon tayo ng NLC, yung National Learning Camp, which required kahit nung kakabakasyon pa lang kailangan mag-report. So binigyan yun ng service credits. So pagkakuha mo ng service credits, pag may mga emergency ka sa personal mo o di kaya sa pamilya mo, like yung mga emergency sa health, doon nagagamit yung service credits. Paano anya kami, attorney? Kami sir, na di pa lamang nagtatagal, wala pa kaming na-earn. So sabihin mo, oy, sakit, sa holiday ka na lang. O, di ba? Kakausapin mo na hindi ka magkasakit sa panahon na may pasok kasi wala pa po akong service credits. O, pag nag-leave ako niyan, ang leave ko, leave without pay. Kaya, mag-iisip ka na sana sa holiday na lang or sa to. Pero sana wala pag holiday para ma-enjoy talaga natin. Kaya po, lahat ng yan, na pag-uusapan naman natin, kung kayo ay mayroong mga katanungan, you can always visit us sa aming mga opisina na para ma-forder, mapaliwanagan kayo at mapadali rin yung mga papel. Pag yung talagang papel na nagaling, like yung mga hihingi ng permit to practice profession, permit to teach, meron na po yun form. Kung sa opisina po namin hihingi, meron na po yun form upang mapadali, including kung ano ang mga i-attach doon. So, instead na gawa tayo ng sarili natin na forma na pagkatapos ay ibabalik dahil mayroong mga nakitang kailangang ayusin, sundin na natin yung form at yung mga attachment na ibibigay. So maraming salamat Sir James at sa lahat na nagpadala nito at ako naman ay nagagalak na paunlakan palagi si Sir James kasi nakita ko naman yung kanyang pagpupunyagin, pagpupursigin na maibigay sa kanyang mga estudyante yung patungkol sa pera. At ngayon, lumalawak na. Ang pagpupunyagin niya ay lumalawak na kabilang na yung mga teacher. Kasi ayaw natin na yung mga teacher na siyang nagtuturo ang unang problemado sa kwarta. Diba? Gusto natin yung mga teacher na tagapagturo ang unang nagsasabi na satisfied siya kasi kumikita namang kabuhayan. Hindi lang pagiging teacher, kundi meron naman siyang sideline na allowed dahil meron siyang permit. So maraming salamat, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Money smart, we're the generation. Project 𝚑𝓬𝓪𝓬𝓾𝓮𝓻𝓆, our dedication.
So ayan mga negosyant teachers, remember huwag natin gawing full-time job ang sideline job natin at part-time job ang DepEd. So according to Attorney Boggs, we are allowed to do side hustles as long as we teachers practice this outside our regular office hours, and as long as we're not giving up our regular job. By the way, sir, thank you po for emphasizing the memos and articles we need to know before taking our risk. Nagkaroon po pala kami ng short survey bago nagsimula ang aming webinar sessions. So ayan, akmang-akma sa talk ni Sir Boggs. So mayroon ka bang sideline o negosyo ngayon? So most teachers answer, mayroon. So marami pa lang teachers ang negosyante dito. Kung wala kang kasalukuyang negosyo, may plano ka ba na magkaroon ng sideline o negosyo sa hinaharap? At ang resulta ay marami ring teachers ang mayroong balak. So ayan, dito na po tayo sa question and answer portion. Meron po ako dito, sir, nabasa. Kung may plano po bang magtayo ng business si teacher, need din po bang kumuha ng approval mula sa DepEd?
Ayan. So basta po yan ay hindi po regular na nature ng trabaho natin sa DepEd at yun ay maaaring makasagabal or maaari po siya na mag-cause ng conflict of interest. Una, dapat ay priority natin si DepEd at hindi yun dapat. Ngayon, kaya tayo kumukuha ng permit para alam natin na meron palang mga limitations. Sa permit kasi pong inilalabas, sa permit na nilalabas sa atin, may mga nakasulat po doon na mga do's and don'ts na mga pwede nating gawin at yung mga hindi natin pwedeng gawin sa pag-practice ng profession natin. So, hinihingi kasi talaga na dapat ang devoted tayo sa trabaho natin. Actually, yan yung mga tinatawag nga ng mga 24/7 on call. Pero syempre, dahil sa civil service naman, meron tayong defined na oras na dapat tayo'y pumasok. Kaya ina-allowed yung outside ng ano to. Kaya kung tatanungin ako na hihingi po ba, so long as kayo ay connected kay DepEd at wala pong sinabi sa batas na may exemption pag walang ano to, kung kayo mag-business or mag-i-engage sa trabaho na hindi pang DepEd, you need to ask permit.
All right. Thank you, sir, for emphasizing the health of teachers. By the way, sir, sabi mo po kanina, it should be outside regular office hours. So how about po those teachers posting their, let's say, paninda, pero recess time naman? Posting their paninda on Facebook.
Hindi lang paninda, baka nga nagtitinda. Nagtitinda na. Although wala tayo masyadong wala tayo naman masyadong yung tinatawag na meets and bounds niyan. Hanggang lang dito, hanggang. Basta po ang palagi nating sinasabi, katulad dun, kung recess, so ang mga bata wala rin, hindi siya yun makakasagaban. Pero kung walang permit, so wala naman dapat. Hindi naman dapat siya nagtitinda. Kaya nga even the government is seeking ways on how to raise the standard of living ng hindi lang ng kaguruan lang, lahat ng empleyado upang maiwasan yung mga practices na ganyan. Kasi di ba noon natatag tayo as nagtitinda ng bra, longganisa, tusino, ng ice candy, mga ganun na para pandagdag ng ng ating kabuhayan. Ang problema, instead na makadagdag yon, nagiging cause ng problema kasi hindi na nagtitinda kasi nandi-deliver na hindi na nagtuturo kasi nandi-deliver na doon sa mga classroom. So, yun yung sinasabing nagko-conflict na ngayon doon sa interest ano yung interest natin makapagturo dun sa mga bata. So instead na nagtuturo tayo bilang teacher, nagdi-deliver na tayo doon, nagro-room to room na ng mga ano to. So kung recess naman, wala naman tayong ito lang ang means, ito ang bounds na hindi nyo pwede, itong pwede, wala naman ganun. Basta ang ano to natin, general rule palagi is it will not conflict with the regular load natin as a teacher. Yung mga nauso noon I remember nung pandemic, yung saging post ng mga online selling nila. Wag mo namang ipakita na nagtitinda ka kung kailan ka dapat nasa classroom or kung kailan ka dapat sige mo man paninda sa on. May nakikita ako nagtitinda naman ng mga after office hours or gabi. I do not know naman kung may permit naman yon. So wala naman nga siya sa oras ng trabaho kasi outside na. Hindi naman ko alam kung may permit. Kasi dalawa dapat yon. Outside na siya, may permit ka pa. Di ba? Ayun yung mga ano to natin, mga nire-require talaga.
So, thank you po, sir. So, pwede naman basta hindi mag-conflict. So, ayan, teachers. So, another question po, sir. How about naman po yung mga teachers na nag-follow naman ng after office hours? So, may mga business, pero nagkasakit po. May right po ba yung school head na mag-advise sa teacher na tigil mo na yung ano mo, ng business mo kasi pati yung health mo naapektuhan na hindi ka na nakakapasok everyday.
Kaya yan sinasabi ko sa inyo po kanina na pag humihingi ng permit, kasama rin doon na ina-attach talaga yung medical certificate na kung saan fit to work pa naman si teacher doon sa sa teaching niya, sa regular na teaching work niya at magpa-part-time pa siya. Now, yun naman siguro kung nag-comment tungkol doon, baka concern lang. Baka concern lang na nakikita yung nakikita yung kalagayan. Baka concern lang. Pero pag talagang humihingi ng permit na mag-practice ng profession outside the regular work niya sa department, kasama po nun ipinapasubmit din yung medical certificate.
All right. Thank you so much, sir. So to our audiences, pwede rin po kayo mag-raise ng questions. Sir James, do you have any questions po?
Parang okay na si Sir James.
Okay na po daw, sir. Nasagot na daw po lahat ng mga question. So thank you so much po, Sir Attorney, for enlightening us for today's discussion.
So maraming salamat sa inyo at alam ko na marami talaga at nakatulong ito dahil maraming nagtatanong tungkol dyan. So wag lang natin pong pababayaan yung trabaho kung saan tayo ay nandito. Yun yung palagi kong reminder naman. As long as na tayo'y sumisweldo tayo dahil nagtrabaho. Hindi yung sumisweldo tayo pero hindi naman natin pinagtrabahuan. Nakakakonsensya yon, nakakainin natin, hindi naman pala natin pinagpaguran pero sumisweldo tayo. So palagi natin na ilagay yung dapat nagtrabaho ako kaya kailangan sumisweldo ako. Diba?
All right. So thank you so much po, sir. So you can still watch this video recording later po sa aming YouTube channel. So thank you so much po, sir. I know you're busy right now.
Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication.
So many people want to have additional income, but few dare to give up their day job for fear of the uncertainties. Now get ready with our second discussion. So let me introduce to you our second presenter. Our second presenter holds the position of Assistant Professor 3 at Bicol State College of Applied Sciences and Technology, and is the founder and moderator of the Young Entrepreneurs Society. She is a doctor of business administration, and her contributions extend beyond the classroom, as she serves as the South Luzon focal person of Consortium for Entrepreneurship Education for Development in the Philippines. He is a lifetime member of the Entrepreneurship Educators Association of the Philippines and is also serves as the treasurer of the Naga City's Camarines Alliance for Consumer Welfare and Protection. So let us all welcome Dr. Anna Marie A. Benalia.
Our dedication.
Ayan, good afternoon po. So, maray na hapon sa gabos. Thank you, Miss Meden Orbita, for that introduction. And kay Sir James, Sir, salamat sa opportunity na binigay mo sa akin, sa amin, no, to share with you in your purpose, in your advocacy. Nakakatuwa kasi nung time namin, wala pong mga ganito, Sir, no? So, kayo po, through your initiative, through your generous initiative, you are able to provide na mga ganitong klaseng information sa ating, especially for the young learners. But for this afternoon, I guess our audience, our target audience are the teachers. Ano po? So medyo kinakabahan po ako, Sir James. Tayo ay naka-live stream sa YouTube. Ayan. So good afternoon sa lahat. So the topic, no, given to me by Sir James is about, ano nga ba yun, sir? About the hustles, the side hustles of the teachers. So we call them teacherpreneurs. Ayan. Can I share my screen?
Sure, ma'am.
Ayan. Sige. Ayan. So, ang dami ko kaninang natutunan kay attorney, no? So, parang, totoo naman talaga. So, kailangan mong, you have to seek permission from the authority, no? Before rendering your services to other institutions or to other agencies. So, now, my topic is about becoming a teacherpreneur. So, a business model approach. So, ginawa ko dito, I have combined how a teacher, can become at the same time an entrepreneur. So, hindi naman pinagbabawal. Sabi nga kanina ni attorney, it is also our right. And it is, I know it is also being encouraged among us due to, not just due to economic reasons, but also because of our passion, to really engage in entrepreneurship. So why entrepreneurship? No? So entrepreneurship has a big role in the socio-economic development of a community. So alam naman po natin yan, given na yan, that entrepreneurship has a lot to do with our economic situation. And it flourishes in community where resources are mobile. So akala natin yung entrepreneurship nasa urban areas lang, no? But more so it is observed in the rural areas where there is a very rich resources. And also, it is greater in communities that see change as positive rather than negative. So, maganda yung attitude na ipinapakita ng isang entrepreneur. Dapat masaya ang isang entrepreneur kapag ang isang community ay nagde-develop or nag-improve because of the engagement of people through entrepreneurship. 'Di ba? Mas greater yung chances of development, no? Not just by households, hindi lamang yung ating pansarili, kundi nakikita natin even yung ating neighbors and the community as a whole is, improving. So, nakakatawa yung ganun. We see positive rather than negative. Of course, it provides job and other forms of income generation which can support our families and impact the community as a whole. It is also directed toward an opportunity, looking at every resources in the community as a potential source of entrepreneurial activity. So sabi nga nila, no, ang isang tao daw na may inclination sa entrepreneurship, lahat ng bagay, ang tingin niya dyan is oportunidad. Kaya mga oportunista po ang mga entrepreneur. So lahat, kahit may nakikita siyang dumi sa paligid, may nakikita siyang gulo or ingay, ayan, may opportunity yon. That is an opportunity for an entrepreneur. So it is community-driven with a focus on overseeing and micromanaging people. So that is entrepreneurship. So teachers and entrepreneurs, saan ba sila nagkakapareho? Let's see, no? So initiating ideas. Of course, teachers and entrepreneurs come up with new ideas. This is an important area for teachers as they innovate on teaching methods and pedagogies. And for entrepreneurs, as it determines new business opportunities and expansion rate. Examples, new designs and use of products. So pareho pala na yung teacher and entrepreneur are both innovative. They are both trying to create new ideas. They initiate new concepts and ideas. So these are attributes that is present to both teachers and entrepreneurs. Next, we have taking risks. No? So entrepreneurs take risks in business. So starting businesses which have an equal chance of success or failure. Talagang yung isang entrepreneur, no, masigasig na entrepreneur, he or she would take the chance, whether it would, it would fail him. So, okay lang. So, risk taker talaga sila. So, resigning from a secure job to start a business is also risk taking. So, in terms of teaching or teachers, also risk many of their resources to better deliver their services, di ba? Especially for us, yung mga public school teachers, we risk many of our resources just to provide the better services that our learners deserve. And of course, we have planning. So both teachers and entrepreneurs are good planners. Entrepreneurs are aware of the importance of planning and of the limitations of planning in the context of these two roles mentioned above. So same with teachers who prepares lessons fitted to the needs of their learners. So hindi po maaaring ang isang guro ay tumapak sa harap or sa loob ng kanyang paaralan na hindi handa sa kanyang mga ituturo. Kailangang handa po tayo, handang-handa. Lalo na sa generation ngayon na napaka-competitive na ng mga bata. So, both teachers and entrepreneurs must be a good planner. And of course, coordinating. So, entrepreneurs must coordinate all the production factors needed in the business. Diba? Ganun si entrepreneur. Kailangan yung inputs ng kanyang productions are synchronized. The raw materials, yung kanyang financing, yung labor requirement niya, and also yung other necessary inputs in production are well coordinated, no? So same with teachers who do well in school programs and activities, 'di ba? Tayo mga guro magaling tayo diyan yung mag-propose ng mga activities that will engage our students in real life programs and activities. So these four attributes or characteristics we see both in entrepreneurs and teachers. So who are teacherpreneurs? So like entrepreneurs, teacherpreneurs are subject matter specialists in the classroom who also have the resources, time, and space to develop and implement their ideas. So they have established a creative and reflective atmosphere in the classroom, and when it comes to finding important learning, they look beyond the confines of the classroom. So, tama po yun, sabi ni attorney. Kailangan dapat yung priority pa rin natin, yung ating profession, which is yung ating teaching profession. Doon sa kung saan tayo nagsusweldo, yung may regular pay tayo. So, we should focus on that. And then, beyond working hours, beyond our regular function, yung 8 to 12 na 1 to 5 na regular function, dun lang siguro tayo pwedeng mag-engage nung ating mga activities na pwede pa nating pagkakitaan po. So we should look beyond, during when we are teaching, during our 8 to 12, 1 to 5 regular activities inside the classroom, dapat hindi lang din tayo tumitingin sa kung ano yung naandun sa apat na sulok ng ating classroom. So siguro we have also to do simulation, kailangan din yon, especially when we are teaching yung mga practical-based na subject. So, ganun din si teacher or si entrepreneur. Kailangan tumitingin din siya what is beyond the confines or the confines of his or her ko din lang nalaman that he was a former teacher also in the United States. So, and then, while he was working in the States, he
smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication.
Pasensya na po. Nawala na yun.
Okay lang po, ma'am.
Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation project 𝚑𝓐𝓐 our dedication.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you po.
Ayan, so pasensya na ma'am. Pagpapatuloy ko na po ba?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, sige po. So, saan ba tayo naputol? Kay Sir 𝚎𝚐𝚐 ba? Ayan, so yun nga. So, some of the best-known entrepreneurs now started as a teacher. So, example natin kanina, si Jack Ma. No? So, he was able to observe that there is a gap in the e-commerce business in the United States, in China. Na-compare niya kasi during his experience in the United States. So, he created a business-to-business platform in China, no? So he has helped a lot of small business owners, no, through the use of the e-commerce platform. And of course, I have here our very own Ma'am Lichelle R. Ramos. So she's also she's one of my colleagues in BizCast. So she is the founder, art advocate of Ikigai Innovation Art Hub. So she is also into teaching while at the same time enjoying her passion in art. So he extended her skills through entrepreneurship. And of course, this is one of my parang greatest crush. Ayan, so Mr. Josh Mahina is a very young and a social entrepreneur enthusiast. So he actually have his experience as a teacher also when he was before in the United States. And now he went back to Mindanao to share his skills and knowledge in entrepreneurship and engage indigenous people to create bags and other artifacts for their business. So I met him once during his stint at the Avenue Square. And also, myself, so I am also a very enterprising person. And pinagpatuloy po yung negosyo namin, pinagpatuloy namin ni husband, yung paggawa ng mga pickled vegetables. So we participated in several trade fairs already. So ayan, so also we applied for, of course, under the name of my husband. So importante po pag nagsisimula tayo ng negosyo, kailangan din, if maaari, we secure permits, no? Kuha tayo ng седала, kuha tayo ng barangay business permit, and then if maaari, maparegister natin sa DTI yung business name, no? Para ma-secure din natin yung ating business name. So, and also, of course, once you are registered with the Department of Trade and Industry, maraming technical and maraming technical support na binibigay ang DTI once you are registered in their under DTI. So also, for us to be able to position our product in the industry, so we applied for a food analysis, food testing under the Food and Drug Administration. So ayan, also with very careful preparation of our label, product label. So napakahalaga din nung sa pag-market, sa pag-promote ng product, yung ating label. So ayan po yung aming label with the nutrition facts based on the result of our food analysis. And also, I applied for intellectual property for trademark. Ayan, sinubmit din namin siya. So, we were given a certificate of registration coming from the IPOFIL. So, ayan po, good for 10 years. So, hindi po yan magagamit ng iba, sinamiti or namiti. So, sa amin lang po yan. So, that is also to protect the proprietary of our business. Wait. Bakit di ko lang makita? Ayan, startups. So, naririnig po natin yan sa mga nagsisimula pa lamang magnegosyo. Ano po yung startup business? So, startups are young companies founded to develop a unique product or service, bring it to market, make it irresistible and irreplaceable for customers. Kaya yung mga gustong magsimula ng negosyo, yung mga katulad kong guro, so kailangan po yung ating gagawing produkto ay yung kaakit-akit sa merkado. Yan. Yung parang panggigigilan yung ating produkto at ayaw nang palitan ng ating mga target customer. So in the Philippines, the startup ecosystem is very young, vibrant, and full of potential. So startups introduce innovative products and create new business models that address changing societal and market needs. Ayan. So napaka-friendly po ng ecosystem natin in terms of entrepreneurship and startups. So the nurturing of startup ecosystem is at the forefront of the government's initiatives in forging partnerships, bridging gaps, and enabling stakeholders to ensure a competitive, innovative, and inclusive Philippines. So in fact, napakarami po tayong mga directives, laws. Familiar nito si attorney. Ano po, nung mga laws, promulgated laws pertaining to entrepreneurship and startup. So we have the Magna Carta for micro, small, and medium enterprises. So wag po tayong mag-alala or wag po tayong minsan po meron tayong mga apprehensions, meron tayong mga agam-agam, no, sa pagsisimula ng negosyo. Hindi natin alam, marami pala tayong pwedeng puntahan and marami palang support services na available sa ating mga public or government offices. So, the Magna Carta for MSME, so declaring the support as a policy of the state, the Magna Carta legislates expansion of courses and development programs and preferential procurement for MSMEs. It also facilitates access to funding and support services, improve their networks or linkages, and provide proper incentives. We also have Barangay Microbusiness Enterprise Law of 2002. So this integrates those in the informal sector with the mainstream economy. So, yung DTI po, yung BMBE po ay, this is implemented through the help or through the support of the Department of Trade and Industry. So, pwede po nating isubmit yung ating mga negosyo if kailangan po natin ng suporta galing sa DTI. So, also, the Go Negosyo Act. So the act aims to facilitate ease of doing business in the country by hosting centers, creating startup funds, providing technical assistance, and developing curricula or training programs for enterprises, especially for MSMEs. So siguro mapapansin natin sa mga munisipyo, may mga kiosk or may mga opisina nakalaan para sa negosyo center. I'm not sure if meron po tayo dyan sa Calabanga. Ano po? Pero ang alam ko, sa Magaraw, dito po sa Magaraw, sa Naga, meron na pong mga negosyo center. Wherein, may mga natanong po kasi ako before, medyo nag-ano sila, may mga tawag dito, nahihiya sila. Ganon, nahihiya silang lumapit sa opisina ng negosyo center. Kailangan po nating i-inform or kailangan din siguro, kulang din lang siguro sa information dissemination. Kaya kung bakit ganoon, hindi nakakapag-avail ng mga services ang ating mga maliliit na negosyante. And of course, we have the Innovative Startup Act. So further, it focuses on providing benefits and removing constraints in order to encourage the establishment and operation of innovative new enterprises and business crucial to their growth and expansion. So even po sa amin, I don't know, for some institutions, no, meron na pong mga opisina, no, na tumataguyod sa innovative and creative skills ng mga guro at mga estudyante. And also, we have the Youth Entrepreneurship Act. So it promotes cultivation of the entrepreneurial spirit in the Filipino youth through the development of standardized academic programs on finance and entrepreneurship, provision of specialized training and mentoring programs, the establishment of incubation labs and creative spaces, and extension of grants and other support services. So sa amin po, sa BISCAST, we have this incubation laboratory and creative spaces to support our student entrepreneurs in their dream of becoming a successful entrepreneurs. And also, if you are familiar with the Youth Entrepreneurship Congress na ginagawa po, I think every year, ng Kamsur Chamber of Commerce. So this is also one way of looking at this law, as a as an opportunity for the youth. And of course, we have the Philippine Innovation Act, so an act adopting innovation as a vital component of the country's development policies to drive inclusive development, promote the growth and national competitiveness of MSMEs, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes. So, ayan po. Malaki pong support ang binibigay ng ating pamahalaan sa ating mga maliliit na negosyante. Kaya naman po kung titingnan natin yung datos, ito po ay galing sa website ng DTI. So kinuha po nila sa statistics office. So ayan po yung total na businesses in the Philippines. For 2022, we have 1,109,684, of which ay 99.59% ay nanggagaling sa MSMEs, no? So kung titingnan natin yung micro enterprises natin, halos umabot siya ng 90.49. Ayan, so 1,004,195 micro businesses. So ito po yung mga may mga kapital na mababa sa 3 million. So from 1 peso to 3 million pesos. Ayan po ang kapabilang sa mga nasa micro enterprises. And then also we have the small, medium, and yung large companies. Ayan, is only 41%. So malaking tulong po talaga yung MSME sa paglago ng ating economy. Ayan po. Sa totoo, malaki talaga yung support, especially for startups, no? So ayan po yung DOST in partnership with 𝚑𝚭𝚐. So meron po silang pinondohan ng mga startup companies. Ayan, just recently, last September 25 to 26, ginanap po yung Idea 2 Startup Bootcamp, no, funded by LGU-NAGA and also by 𝚑𝚐𝚑. So 𝚑𝚑 is an institution promoting startups, helping startups, guiding them, and mentoring them. So ayan po, pumunta po sila sa BISCAST and encouraged our students to showcase and pitch their innovative business ideas. So, yung mapipili po dito, 8, because this is a pitching contest, 8 of them will, when chosen, will be funded by the LGU-NAGA. So what is the journey, or what is a startup journey? So of course, first we have to start with the customer. And then, our value proposition. Ano ba yung value added or added value na ibibigay natin sa ating target customer? And of course, more importantly is the financial information. So what is a business model? So it is a plan for the successful operation of a business, identifying sources of revenue, the target customer base, products, and details of financing. Mahalaga po bilang isang maliit na negosyante, nagsisimula pa lamang, na alam po natin kung paano tayo magko-compute, kung paano ba natin masisiguro na may kikitain tayo sa ating negosyo. Ano pa at nagkaroon tayo ng ganitong session, di ba? MoneyGURO. So, hindi na tayo hihingan ng kompletong business plan kasi napakahirap po gumawa ng business plan. Very comprehensive. But now, we only have to look at this, a business model canvas. 1-pager lang po ito. Malalaman na natin kung magkakaroon ba tayo ng sapat na kita, no, sa ating pagsisimula ng ating negosyo. So it is about explaining how it can create and deliver value to customers. And essentially, it tells us how the key drivers of a business fit together. Yan. So we will begin with our customers. I only have 15 minutes. So what is a business model canvas? So ganyan po yung itsura ng business model canvas. So pinapakita ko lamang po ito upang maunawaan natin na tayong mga guro, pwede para tayong makapagsimula ng negosyo, ito lang yung gagawin natin, no? So titingnan lang natin itong mga building blocks na ito ng business model canvas. So why is a business model important to startups? Bakit mahalaga ito sa atin na mga teacherpreneurs? So, of course, it will help us to crystallize connections between a business idea and how to turn it into reality. And then it shows how the team thinks about and interacts with its customers, which can help expose weaknesses in its business model. And it allows a team to get a clear idea of what the business is or will likely be. And it allows stakeholders to quickly understand the key needs and goals of any business. Ayan. So, ayan. That is why a business model was created, no, for us to be able to look at a glance, a clear picture of how are we going to connect our customers with our value proposition and what activities are fit to our value proposition, who would be our key partners in order for us to implement our value proposition. So let's see, what are the 9 blocks of the business model canvas? So first, we have the customer segment. So here are the guiding questions for customer segment. For whom are we creating value? Na importante kasi we have to focus more on the needs or the pressing issues, concerns ng ating customer. Kasi baka gawa lang tayo ng gawa ng mga produkto or services, baka hindi naman align or tugma doon sa kailangan ng ating market. So we need to be able to identify for whom are we creating value. And then followed by our value proposition. What is the core problem are you trying to solve? It should be clear that we will have this business idea because we wanted to solve a specific problem. Hindi po natin problem. Hindi yung personal nating problema, but problema ng ating target audience or target customer. And then next is channels. How should you connect with your customers? Sa paanong paraan ba tayo pwede nating maipakilala or mai-deliver yung ating products and services? Gagamit ba tayo ng online platform, ng social media platform? Gagamit ba tayo ng mga third-party logistics or gagamit ba tayo ng mga ibang kakilala, no, or our own channels para lang maihatid yung ating products and services to our target audience? And of course, customer relationships. How should we keep a relationship with customers? Napaka-importante that we know how to get, keep, and retain our customers in order for them to grow. Hindi po tayo pwedeng, okay na ako, ito na yung aking customer base. No, hindi sapat yun. If we wanted to really expand our business, we have to look at sustainability. So kailangan not just getting a customer, keeping it, but also growing our customer base. And then of course, the very important here for our session is the revenue streams. How do we make money? How much will we make? Ayan. So nakilala na natin kung sino yung ating customer segment. Alam na natin kung anong mga added value services ang ibibigay natin sa kanila at kung paano natin dadalhin sa kanila yung ating produkto at serbisyo. Then kung paano tayo makikipag-ugnayan sa kanila. Ngayon, paano ba natin ito i-convert into money? Ayan. So that is under revenue streams. And then sixth, we have key resources. What resources do the product require? Do we need physical resources, human resources, intellectual resources? So depende po, no, sa nature ng ating negosyo. Nandito pa ba ako?
Yes po, ma'am. We can still hear you po.
Okay, thank you. So, ayan, key resources. And then, seventh is the key activities. What activities do our value propositions require? Ayan, ano ba yung mga dapat nating ginagawa upang matugunan natin yung promise natin na added value sa ating products and services. Ayan. So that is key activities. And then we have key partners. For partners, ano ba yung motivation natin? Saan ba tayo huhugot pagpili ng ating mga kapartners sa pagnenegosyo? So, pwedeng yung optimization and economies of scale. Paano tayo magpapalago ng ating negosyo? Sino ba ang partner na may kakayahan na upang matulungan tayong mapalago yung ating negosyo? And then, sino ba yung makakatulong sa atin upang mabawasan or maibsan na yung risk na pwedeng maidulot ng ating pagnenegosyo? So, hindi po natin kailangan na tayo po ang gagawa lahat ng ito. Pwede po tayong kumuha ng mga kapartners. So, makakatulong na po tayo sa kanila sila din matutulungan tayo. So there is a mutual benefit between you as the business owner and then the partners as also provider of services. And of course, the cost structure. The last block is the cost structure. What are the important and critical expenses of doing the business? So sa cost structure, yung mga activities, ito mga unang nabanggit ko, meron itong mga cost implications. So kailangan ma-identify ninyo ano-ano ba yung mga costs na kasama sa pag-implement ninyo nitong key resources, ng key activities, and then yung pagkuha ninyo ng partners. So it has cost implications and should be quantified in your in measuring your costs. So we should carefully define what will be the fixed and our variable costs. Ayan. So for customer segments, when determining your customer segments, consider the following: depth of pain. Sabi nga nila, the greater the pain, the greater the chance that the client will be open to your solution. And then budget. Are customers willing to pay for your solution? How many are they and how much? So the greater the pain, the more customers are willing to spend. And then reach. How are you reaching your customers? Is it too expensive to deliver in person or more effectively? Market size. What part of the market do you need to meet? Does this market share represent more than 10% of the size of your market? Is that safe? So these are the variables that we have to consider when looking at our customer segments and when choosing who to serve or to whom are we going to deliver our products and services. And of course, value. How do you feel about serving this segment? And do these clients match the mission of your company? So kailangan nakaangkla lahat. Naka-align, naka-synchronize yung goal ng organization and of course yung kailangan o yung problemang kailangang masolusyonan batay sa pangangailangan ng ating napiling customer segments. And of course, we have different types of customer segments. Hindi ko na po masyadong bibigyan ng emphasis yan. We have also value proposition. So napili na natin yung ating customer segment. Now, ano ba ang i-offer natin sa kanila? So the combination of 4 Ps is the value proposition that we offer to our target market. But where do we need to focus? First, alam ko you are already familiar with what 4 Ps is. For business, former business students here, perhaps you know the 4 Ps, yung ating marketing mix, yung product, price, place, and promotion. So sabi dito, ang value proposition daw, nanggagaling lang naman sa ating marketing mix, doon sa 4 Ps na ito, that we offer to our target market. But where do we need to focus? So first, one that is important and based on the problem of your target market. So there should be a market niche. Kasi baka yung naisip natin na solution to their problem, hindi naman nila kailangan. So meron na palang nag-o-offer na ibang company. Kailangan ikaw pa lang. Or pwedeng meron ng existing pero kailangan may kakaiba. Differentiated dapat ang iyong i-offer. So better offering in 1 to 3 of the 4 Ps only. Hindi naman kailangan na better ka doon sa 4. Pwedeng magaling, differentiated in terms of price, in terms of promotion, in terms of product. Kailangan kasi integrated itong 4 na ito. And then avoid using price as competitive advantage. Madi, sa kuya ka na lang magbakal or sa akin ka na lang bumili, sa akin ka na lang kumuha ng produkto kasi mas mura sa akin. Nako, baka hindi natin maibigay yung tamang value proposition para sa ating target market. And then finally, your value proposition should answer, why does my target market buy my products? Bakit nga ba sa akin bumibili yung aking target market? Bakit hindi sa iba? Halos meron namang ino-offer yung iba na katulad ng aking produkto. Bakit kaya sa akin sila pumupunta? So yung lamang mo, doon sa compare doon sa iba, yung lamang mo, yun po yung inyong value proposition. Yun yung ino-offer mong mas, yung better, yung mas mahalaga para sa kailangan ng inyong target audience. And that is your value proposition. Now we proceed to the revenue stream. Ayan. For revenue stream, there are 4 questions to be answered. How will you charge? Who will you charge? How will you price? And then what is your price? So, kailangan careful din yung pag-analyze natin ito. Hindi yung basta-basta na tayo magbibigay ng presyo. So, how will you charge? Meron tayong one-time fee or recurring fee. Depende din sa nature ng inyong naisip na startup company. For one-time fee, of course, when you are in a buy and sell type of business, so syempre once you provide them your products and services, kailangan bayaran kanila. So that's one-time fee. We also have recurring fee. This one naman, let's say for example, pwedeng depende sa gamit mo, 'di ba? Yung ating mga subscription, ayan. So recurring fee, yung may mga monthly recurring fees. So depende sa services and products na i-offer natin sa ating target audience. So ayan yung mga approaches, asset sale, usage fee, 'di ba? Yung sa ating mga telepono, depende sa kung ilan ang nagamit mong minutes, 'di ba? Number of minutes. Nung dati wala pa yung mga unli calls, yung ating bill sa telepono depende sa usage mo. So yun, mga examples ng recurring fee. And of course, advertising. Sa advertising naman, this is most often ginagamit ng mga nasa multi-sided platform, yung mga, like for example, yung ating YouTube, yung ating Facebook, no? So kumukuha sila ng fees based on the appearance of yung paggamit ng mga nagpapa-advertise ng kanilang products and services. And then who will you charge? So for multi-sided markets, so we have freemium, 'di ba yung mga applications na mga ginagamit natin, usually papagamit muna sa atin ng free, and then after several weeks or several months, mag-offer na sila ng mga upgrades, and then doon na sila magko-collecta sa atin ng mga additional fees. So that is a form of freemium. And then also we have user versus advertiser. So na-mention ko kanina, yung mga sa digital platform natin, social media platform, so kailangan nila ng users, no, para magkaroon sila ng advertisers. So kumukuha sila ng, they are charging, no, their advertisers for yung paggamit ng kanilang platform. So sino sina-charge nila? Of course, the advertisers. So, hindi po yung user. So, hindi naman tayo sinisingil ni Facebook, di ba? Hindi naman tayo sinisingil ni YouTube kapag ginagamit natin yung kanilang services. And then, how will you price? No? So, we have fixed pricing and dynamic pricing. Fixed pricing, yung list price, kung ano talaga yung nakalagay sa tag price, yun na yung nababayaran mo. Then per feature price, and bibili ka ng mga gadget, so mas mahal kapag maraming feature. And then customer segment price, depende din sa customer segment mo. Halimbawa, yung customer segment mo ay nasa class A, baka mas high value yung inyong price. And then kapag class D naman or C, baka mas mababa yung inyong presyo. No? So naka-align yung ating pricing according to our customer segment. And of course, volume pricing. Iba din yung price na binibigay natin kapag ang ibibilin sa atin ay by bulk or by volume. And then we have dynamic pricing. So this is under negotiation, and then time availability, real time, and auction. So how to decide on the price? Ayan, kailangan din natin pag-aralan how customers want to pay. So marami na tayong mode of payments now. Competitive differentiation, kailangan pag-aralan din natin magkano ba ang presyo sa merkado nitong ganitong klaseng produkto. And then positioning. Baka nakaposition tayo doon sa high value positioning yung ating situation, no? So kailangan medyo mataas yung presyo. So depende sa ating position or kung paano natin how do we differentiate our product. Pwedeng doon din depende ang ating presyo. And of course, our cost structure. Kailangan alam natin, we are able to identify one by one, kung magkano ang mga ginagastos natin for us to be able to decide on the price. And of course, the perceived value. Kailangan andoon yung perceived value. Kasi baka naman, nagpresyo ka ng mahal, pero sa tingin mo, ang perceived value lang ng target customer mo ay sa ganitong halaga lang. So, you cannot stretch beyond what your customer perceives, the value of your product. And then lastly, we have the cost structure. So we have two strategies under cost structure. We have cost-driven and value-driven. In terms of cost-driven, in terms of cost-driven, when we try to analyze our pricing or our cost, we have to, sabi ko nga kanina, kailangan himay-himayin natin. Magkano ba yung variable costs, magkano ba yung ating fixed cost, yung capital expenditures natin na magagastos sa pagsimula ng ating negosyo, and yung ating mga pre-operating expenses. So, ganun yun. Kapag ka cost-driven ka. Kapag ka value-driven naman, doon ka after sa kung anong value ang pwede mong ma-offer. So, regardless of the cost. Pero, kailangan pa rin nating balikan kasi hindi tayo pwedeng mas bumaba doon sa cost ng ating products and services. Pero ang focus nito, ang concentration nito is more on the value that we are providing our target customer. So we have these two categories for cost structure. We have the variables and the variable cost and the fixed cost. Of course, the variable cost are those costs which scale depending on the volume that we wanted to produce. So yung fixed naman, of course, these are fixed. So regardless of whether we produce or not, we will incur these costs. And of course, the economies. Ano ba tayo? Economies of scale, are we going to use economies of scale or are we going to use economies of scope? When we say economies of scale, andun na po yung pagbigay ng volume discounts, no? So we are doing mass production here when we say economies of scale. Well, when we say economies of scope, we are trying to do vertical integration. No? Halimbawa, yung company mo, siya din yung inyong kapartner sa pag-deliver, no? May sarili kang rider, may sarili kang katulong, no, sa pag-deliver ng iyong mga products. So mas mababa yung magiging presyo mo kasi syempre sarili mo yan eh. So hindi ka wala ng additional margin pa or additional cost na ipapatong, unlike kung kukunin mo siya from or unlike if you will be acquiring a subcontractors, no? So ganun. So that would be your cost structure. Important that we know the strategy and then the categories of costs and then the economies of scale, or what are we going to use ba? Economies of scale or economies of scope. Ayan. So these are my references. All right. So allow me to leave you this quote from 𝚑𝚗𝚒𝓭. So teachers are expected to reach unattainable goals with inadequate tools. Diba? Totoo naman. So the miracle is at times they accomplish this impossible task. Diba? So hooray to that, teachers, and thank you for listening. Ayan, parang bilis ko.
Money smart, we're the generation. Project Q-Water, our dedication.
All right, so thank you, Mom. So today we have learned what we need to know on being a entrepreneur and also having a good work-life balance. So before we begin with our question and answer portion, let me show you the survey that we had a while ago. Ayan. So, unang tanong, kung wala kang kasalukuyang negosyo, may plano ka ba na magkaroon ng sideline o negosyo sa hinaharap? So, again, most of the teachers answered yes or mayroon. Ano ang mga hamon o mga hadlang na iyong kinahaharap o inaasahan na iyong mahaharap habang tinutupad ang iyong mga pangarap sa pagnenegosyo? At ang mga lumabas dito ay, takot akong magsimulang magnegosyo dahil baka malugi. So ayan, karamihan ay hirap sa paghanap ng kapital upang magsimula ng negosyo, nakaranas ng scam. Ito ay ilan lamang sa aking na-encounter, but your consistency and conviction is very important to reach goals. So yan, mas magandang topic rin to next time about scam. Pag-manage ng oras sa trabaho at kaunti ang kaalaman sa pagnenegosyo. Marketing. Opportunity and market penetration. Oras. Inflation na nakakaapekto sa supply and demand ng ekonomiya. Bilang isang guro, madaming hadlang tulad na lamang ng oras. Paglalaan ng oras sa pagnenegosyo. First and foremost, the capital or sources, product, market, target. So most of the teachers answer their kakulangan sa oras or having their capital and resources. Okay? So let's proceed with the questions po. So meron lang po tayo ditong few questions raised by our audiences. So first po, what are some of the entrepreneurial activities teachers can engage that will not compromise their roles as teacher? Hello, ma'am. Can you still hear me po?
Yes po. Yes, Ma'am Meden.
Okay po. So we have our first question po here raised by our audience. First po is, what are some of the entrepreneurial activities teachers can engage with that will not compromise their roles as a teacher?
Wow. What are the entrepreneurial activities that teachers can
And
have
engage with
or engage with without compromising their work,
roles.
their roles as a teacher? So there are a lot, no? There are actually a lot. We can do a lot. Actually, everything, no? So it only depends upon our time availability. We have to consider also the risk attached to it, since we are, especially for those working as public servants, baka magkaroon ng problema later. So we have to consider that also. And then the repercussions of also doing business. But sinabi ni attorney kanina, ang ganda po, no, na ito ay karapatan din natin na tayo ay makapag-negosyo, magkaroon ng dagdag na kita, no, para din of course sa ating pamilya. But we have to make sure that dapat malinaw sa atin na wala pong mako-compromise dito, especially yung ating regular functions.
Alright. So
nasagot ko po ba, ma'am?
Yes po. Thank you so much po, ma'am. Another po, at I Love Aral Incorporated po, we are promoting innovation to ignite entrepreneurship. So what can you advise to us that we can help the community in supporting youth-led startups?
Yes, ma'am. There are a lot of opportunities, no? Hindi lang natin pa siguro na iisa-isa. Ayan. So papunta na doon definitely si Sir James. There are a lot of programs na being implemented by different government agencies. Ako nga ay na-overwhelmed. Minsan madami pumupunta sa school to introduce their programs, no, to cascade the implementation of their programs, and very exciting, no, very promising yung kanilang mga ino-offer, especially to young students, to young entrepreneurs. So ayan po, siguro sa akin personally as a teacher, teaching entrepreneurship, makita ko na yung aking mga mga estudyante ay umunlad sa kanilang or makapagsimula, no? Siguro the least ay makapagsimula ng kanilang sariling negosyo. Of course, sa tulong namin as their mentors and katuwang yung mga ahensya ng gobyerno and even non-government organizations. Napakarami po na gustong tumulong sa atin. Ayan, so isa-isa mapupuntahan na yan ni Sir James.
Okay,
para
thank
sa
you so
kanyang
much.
para sa kanyang advocacy.
All right, thank you, ma'am. So I hope we at I Love Aral could work with discuss in empowering young entrepreneurs in our community, especially in
Yes,
Calabac.
we are excited. Yes, ma'am. Sure po.
Do you also offer trainings and seminars po so that maybe in the future we can participate?
Of course, madami po kami trainings and seminars. So, ayan, pag-uusapan namin yan ni Sir James kung saan ba tayo pwede sumama. Ayan. So, we are also doing extension activities, so we can also share this platform to partner schools and other agencies like, you know, yung advocacy nitong I Love Aral. Definitely.
Alright, so meron pa pala ditong survey. Interesado ka bang sumali sa mga workshop o kurso na may kaugnayan sa pagnenegosyo? So yan, most of the teachers answer oo at walang nagsagot ng hindi. So nakaka-excite yan. So mas marami pa kaming activities and programs sa Project Kwarta dapat na makandak.
Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication.
All right, so thank you so much for our presenters for today. So for enlightening us first with the legal and ethical considerations and teachers' entrepreneurial endeavors with attorney Salvador T. Pelangon, and on being a teacherpreneur with Dr. Anna Marie A. Benalia. So surely we have Thank you so much to our dear presenters. We have learned a lot from you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Generation, Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. Project Kuwata, our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation. generation, project kuwata our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation, project kuwata our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation, project kuwata our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation, project kuwata our dedication.
Before ending our webinar session, let me just share a quote from famous Chinese entrepreneur Jack Ma. Today is hard, tomorrow will be worse, but the day after tomorrow will be sunshine. Again, you can still watch this video on our YouTube channel. Just type and search I Love Aral Incorporated. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So, shaping a money smart future with I Love Aral Incorporated. Keep learning connected.
Money smart, we're the generation, project kuwata our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation, project kuwata our dedication. Money smart, we're the generation, project kuwata our dedication.